Good morning, friends. Welcome to the session. So today we will discuss about a specific fertility rate. So a specific fertility rate to overcome the drawback of general fertility rate, and that drawback is general fertility rate does not takes into account the age of a woman. To overcome this, we go for a specific fertility rate. In a specific fertility rate, we are interested specifically the fertility rate according to age. For example, so what is the fertility rate for the age of a woman 50? What is the fertility rate of a age of a woman 30? So I need to calculate these values. And again, one may be interested in knowing, so what is the fertility rate of the ages of a women between a class interval 15 and 19? So for that purpose, we go for a specific fertility rate. So what is a specific fertility rate? The same thing that we have done in general fertility rate. So that is B divided by female population into 1000. Only we need to add here a suffix I, and I stands for the age. So for a 15-year girl, how many births she has given is taken by using a specific fertility rate. Suppose a girl age is 20 years. How many births she has given is taken into account in a specific fertility rate. Again, one may be interested in knowing, suppose if a class interval is 15 to 19 years of women, how many births have taken place within this class interval? So that can be seen in a specific fertility rate. And the last one is a total fertility rate. In total fertility rate is the addition of all these fertility rates according to a time period. So for example, if I add all these things, summation a specific fertility rate, then it comes to be a total fertility rate. Suppose if I add for 1 year, that is a total fertility rate for that particular year. Suppose if I want to know what is the total fertility rate within that particular class 15 to 19. So for each year I want to add the a specific fertility rate. Means what? A specific fertility rate for age of a woman 15 plus a specific fertility rate for age of a woman 16 plus age of a woman 17 plus 18 and finally plus 19. For each year I want to add the a specific fertility rate. So to get a total fertility rate for a class between 15 to 19, so how many years are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 years. So I want to multiply this by 5 into the corresponding a specific fertility rate. So this is the formula for total fertility rate. And for a particular year, this 5 should be replaced by 1. Therefore, the general formula for total fertility rate for a class interval is C multiplied by summation a specific fertility rate, where this C is nothing but the width of the class. If I put C as 1, that gives us annual a specific fertility rate, and that is the addition of this gives us the total fertility rate. So friends, these are some of the fertility rates that we have completed in the fertility rates. So we will stop here and continue with the numerical examples in the next session. Thank you.